Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail that how to calculate the parameter of any closed shape, object or figure in AutoCAD. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos and watch the video till the end. So to calculate the parameter, so we will explain this that how to calculate with the help of example. So let we will draw a figure, a closed. So this is a here, then here, then here, then here, here. So this is a closed figure, as you can see. So now to calculate the parameter of this figure, so we will write in the command area as the area. When we write area in the command line and then we'll enter, so now it's required to specify the corners or to select the object or add area or subtract area. So we will select on the object. Once we click, now you can see in the command line it requires to select the object. So we will select, and this is the object. So when we just select the object, so you can see the area, and this is the area and the parameter has been calculated for the figure. So the parameter means the length is equal to this much, 0 feet and 11.0133 inch. So to do the same example by using another figure, so you want to draw a rectangle. So now this is a rectangle, and now we want to calculate the parameter. So we will write the area in the command line and enter. And now in these different options we will select on the object. Once we click, now it's required to select the object. So when we select the object, just select the object. So now then you will see above the command line in the history what is the area and the parameter. So now you can see when we just select the object, means the rectangle. So this is the area and this is the parameter, which is the 1 feet and 3.3075 inches. So this is the parameter of this closed figure, which is the rectangle. So now if you have any questions in this, that how to calculate the parameter, you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video.